So now I will talk about Microsoft Excel. So a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. Microsoft Office Excel is a powerful tool used to create and format spreadsheets. And spreadsheets allow information to be organized in rows and tables and analyzed with automatic mathematics. Of course, we have the other one. Spreadsheets are commonly be used to perform many different types of calculation. So this is how to launch Miss Excel. The first one is go to start, search for all programs, select Microsoft Office, and the last one is click on Microsoft Excel and a blank spreadsheet will open. Format extension for Miss Excel. The first one is Excel Workbook .xlsx. Excel Macro Enabled Workbook .xlsm. Excel Binary Workbook .xlsb. Excel Macro Enabled Template .xltm. And the last one, Excel Add-in .xlam. So here is the example of Excel window. Understanding the spreadsheets. Number one, the bullet one is a spreadsheet is a sheet which is spread in such a way that it divides itself into the various horizontal row and vertical columns. It is also called a worksheet. The second bullet is a worksheet consists of cells that are organized into columns and rows. The last one is a worksheet is always stored in a workbook. Rows are numbered from 1 to onwards and columns are numbered from A to onwards. The three basic features. The first one is rows. It refers to the horizontal cells which can contain information. Second one is columns. It refers to the vertical cells which can also contain information. And the last one is cell. Cells are the basic rectangular building blocks of a spreadsheet. It is the intersection of a row with a column. Each cell is identified with its position. As you can see, there are four featured buttons. So these are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Excel features. Autofill. Excel feature that allows you to automatically copy cells and fill them down or across a series of cells. Cell. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. A cell can contain a label, a numeric value, or a formula. Borders. Line you may format around your cells or range of cells to enhance the readability and or appearance of your spreadsheet. Cell address or reference. The column letter and row number where the cell intersects. Example, B4 is the intersection of column B and row 4. Columns. Columns are the vertical division of a worksheet identified by letters. Formula. A formula is a mathematical statement usually containing cells references or numbers and mathematical operators. A formula always starts with an equal sign. Formula bar. The formula bar is located under the toolbars at the top of the working screen. It contains the edit line for working with formulas and provide information regarding cell addresses. Functions. A function is a preset formula. Functions concise a function name and its arguments. The function name tells Excel that calculation you want it to perform. Range. A range is a block of cells that can be selected, manipulated, named, and formatted as a group. Terms for Miss Excel. The first one is absolute cell reference. Formula refer to a specific cell location. Do change when copy and paste or fill them down or over. They are created by adding a dollar sign in front of each character in the cell address. For example, dollar sign $B $4 will always refer to cell B4. Active cell contains the insertion point and is identified by a dark border around the cell. Its address is shown in the formula bar. Any action you perform is performed on the active cell. Arithmetic operators. The characters used to calculate number within a formula. Addition P4 U2. A relative cell references changes when copied and pasted to a new cell or is filled down a series of rows or across columns. Workbook. A workbook is a collection of worksheets saved as one file. The worksheets generally contain related material. The default number of worksheets in a workbook is 3. This can be deleted or more worksheets can be added. Worksheet. A worksheet is an electronic spreadsheet that lets you enter, analyze, and calculate data. Text wrap. A cell formatting option that forces text to break into lines within a cell. So, charts. Excel supports charts, graphs, or histograms generate two specified groups of cells. The generate graphic components can either be embedded within the current sheet or added as a separate object. Components of chart in Excel. The first one is chart area. Everything inside the chart window, including all parts of the charts, labels, axes, data markers, tick marks, and other elements listed here. Data marker, a symbol on the chart that represents a single value in the worksheet. Chart data series, a group of related values such, such as a such as all the values in a single row in the chart. Axis, a line that serves as a major reference for plotting data in chart. In two-dimensional charts, there are two axes: the x-axis or horizontal or category, and the y-axis vertical and value. Plot area, the area where Excel plots your data, including the axes and all markers that represent data points. Legend, a key that identifies patterns, colors, or symbols associated with the markers of a chart data series. Grid lines, optional lines extending from the tick marks across the plot area, thus making it easier to view the data values represented by the tick marks. Chart text, a label or title that you add to the chart. Thank you. Bye bye.